What I wouldn't give for a good night's sleep. I don't use my phone or watch TV in bed, but every night I lay down and the same thing happens. My mind starts racing, and it's all so random. It could be something that happened earlier in the day or something from a decade ago. And the worst part is I really pay for it the next day. What can I do to sleep better?
Did you know that 1 in 5 Americans aren't getting enough sleep? And this could be due to stress, changes in lifestyle, even lack of exercise. Life Extension has formulated enhanced sleep with a proprietary blend of sleep-friendly extracts that encourage restful sleep, promote a healthy response to stress, and help maintain youthful-looking skin. Not only that, enhanced sleep comes with melatonin for those that need just a little extra help falling asleep, or you can get it without it.
I can't believe the difference getting a good night's sleep can make. Since I've been using Enhanced Sleep with melatonin, my days aren't dragging, and better yet, neither am I. Thanks, Life Extension.